Alright, so I received my package from the scan, which is Seattle Coronavirus Assessment Network Study. There you go. And I have my tube over here. And then I have the Q-tips here, or Q-tip. So just make sure, because one side doesn't have no cotton on it. So make sure that's the side you open, so that way you don't touch the good side of the Q-tips. Alright? And you have to blow your nose. You see over here it says, or no, those things come. So you have to blow your nose. Oh, where's the direction go? Supposed to go blow your nose and then wash your hands really good. And then okay, let me go ahead and turn this camera. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. Alright, so we're gonna open the Q-tip. Make sure you open it from the side that has no cotton on it. Okay, so let's see if I can be able to open this. Oh boy. So we ordered for the whole house today. We ordered this morning and they arrived just about 15 minutes ago. So you see, it's coming out here. So you pull it out, right? See? And also, I have the tube here. So make sure you write your name, because my son already put away his without writing his name on it. So you have to make sure you write your name on it, today's date, and you receive an email that they send you to scan this or put in the information, so that way they know this is coming from you and not from your son or your grandkids or whatever. Okay, so you just open this, just make it ready, leave here, and then you take this guy and put it in your nose. Okay, and you just go around like that, and you can go as far as you can inside. Make sure you get it. When you're done one side, you go to the other side. Okay. Make sure you get as much. Then you put this guy back inside the tube. And you close the tube here. Alright, so there's two bags coming with this. There's this. And then there's this bag. Alright, so there's two bags that are coming. This one is where you're gonna put the specimen inside. Okay, you don't take anything out of here. My son took out this white paper towel in there, but you're not supposed to. I think so, at least, you know, just in case it leaks, you can, at least the towel is in there. But my son read it wrong and he pulled out the towel. That's not how you do it. So you put the tube in here. Well, I haven't written my name on there. I'm just making the video, but I'll take it back out and write my name on it. But make sure you write your name on it, and then fold it nicely. All right, and then it goes in the box, the scan box. Right, goes in this box. Then you can close it up. All right. Okay, so now it's closed. And then you can put it back into this one, because it has your name on it, you know, everything about your test kit. And then so you can put the box inside here. Okay, so put the box here, and then you take this thing off. You can just peel it off because it's glued on the back side, and then you just kind of roll it down, and voila. And then they'll come back 1 hour later. So they'll come back to my house. You know, the timeline was between 7 and 8. So I'm supposed to you know, finish the test by 8 p.m. because they're gonna arrive back at 8 p.m. to pick up this kit. But they came early today, which gives me a lot of time to finish this test. Every single one of us in this household are gonna take this test today at the same time. And you know, it's not painful. You can just put it up as much as you can in your nose, and you know, get a lot of things so that way they can test it and put it in here, and voila, you're completed. Okay, so again, let me just, your package will come into something like this. So I open this, your package will come here. So you go to the scan assessment, or it's called Seattle Coronavirus Assessment Network Study. If you go to the Pacific Island Community Association of Washington, or PICAWA, or PI Community, I think. If you go to their to our Facebook page, you'll see we have the link here, and I'll also put it on mine. So unfortunately, this is only for King County residents at this point. I'm not 100% sure when they're gonna be able to roll it out everywhere. So it's very quick turnaround, and I'll let you guys in on when the results comes in.